What's good, YouTube? In this video, I'm breaking down how I use AI to fully backtest all of my content. This process is going to cover everything from creating the content to then reviewing the content and receiving applicable data to know how we can make our content better moving forward, all using the power of AI. Let's jump straight into it. All right, so the first thing we want to do is open up Poppy AI. And so obviously the first part of this process is going to be creating the content. And so that's as simple as setting up Poppy in a way where it has all of your content. It understands your brand, it understands your tone, everything like that. And then basically training Poppy in separate groupings on how to write the best scripts for social media. And so the first step here would be to feed it some ideas, feed it some prompts, tell it to, use what it knows in its knowledge base, and then use your brand and your tone to create videos about blank. And then once you have the video ideas, obviously you're going to film them, you're going to edit them. And now when it comes to back testing this content, seeing how it did, we have a few different groupings and we have a few different things for that. And so first, starting out with thumbnails. And so let's say that we had a YouTube video, let's say that we had filmed it, let's say that we had edited it, it's all ready, but we know how important a thumbnail is and we want to test how good the thumbnail that we have created really is. So what we would do is we would come over to here and we'd see the thumbnail center. And what we basically do is plug this thumbnail image that we've uploaded to the Poppy board right here into this AI chat that's for thumbnail notes and feedback. And we would basically just ask it to, just use what you know and review the thumbnail image attached. And then let's just see what it creates for us. So we can see it's given us instructions. It's given us the layout that we've used, the main visual components. And so if we quickly go through this, we can see that based on the attached image style and effective YouTube thumbnail knowledge, here's how to adapt that clean professional look. So it gives us the core layout. It says use the same grid pattern from your existing brand thumbnail. Keep the yellow banner element for consistency, but place it strategically. Maintain the clean title, minimalist approach. And so we can see the key considerations are right here. It's basically wanting us to, maintain this on a consistent basis. It's telling us the text should be minimal but impactful, and the composition should be simple and clear at small sizes. So we can see it's just giving us some feedback, some clear directions on how to move forward with that, because thumbnails are very important. And so that's thumbnails handled right there. If you're not sure about the thumbnail that you're creating, basically what we've done is we've fed Poppy this group right here. So it knows everything that there is to know about creating good thumbnails. So right here, it's how to make a good YouTube thumbnail. And then we basically have 3 videos on YouTube of people reviewing and talking about what goes into a really, really good thumbnail. And what Poppy AI is doing is it's taking all of that knowledge and it's basically just knowing all of that and then giving you this advice and analyzing your image based on that. And so now the next thing is going to be where the real back testing comes in. And so now we're going to come down to the analytics center. And so right here, we have the analytics expert. Basically what we've done is given it 2 videos explaining what good analytics are, what to look for, so that Poppy knows everything about it. And so now basically what we're going to do is we're going to pop into YouTube and we're going to find a video that we want it to review, right? Because we want to make videos better. We want to learn. And so what we're going to do is paste this video into this grouping right here. We're going to go over here and we're going to grab the title of this video. Let's see. So if it was this video, we're going to grab the title and we're just going to title this grouping the title of the YouTube video. And now we're going to go over to the analytics. And we're basically just going to screenshot these analytics and show Poppy, how this video performed. All right, so now that we've pasted in the image right here, Poppy knows which video to review and it knows the analytics of this video, how it did. And it also has, it's coming from an expert's approach on what exactly makes good YouTube analytics and how we could make it better. Now we're basically just going to copy and paste this prompt and have Poppy review the analytics and review the video and use what it knows about analytics and YouTube performance to give us some advice on how to make better videos. So in the first place, we can see the current performance. So it's basically taken this image right here and it's analyzed the views, the watch time, subscriber growth, and then the performance note. And so we can see areas to improve: view count optimization, watch time strategy, subscriber count, subscriber conversion, and then strategic recommendations, content structure, keep the 3 principles format, but add. So it's telling me a few things to add into that video. Audience engagement, implement more, direct viewer questions, interactive elements, engagement prompts, And then distribution strategy, create supplementary content, short form clips. It's basically just telling me how to repurpose this content and make more of it. And so this is, in a nutshell, how we've used AI to create an entire backtesting system and content creation system to the point where we can make our content better moving forward and also increase the output of the amount of content we're putting out. So if you guys want to try out this tool, Poppy AI, for yourself, I'll leave a link below where you can check it out. And if you want a little $25 discount, you could just basically use code Grayson at checkout if that's something that you want to do. But that wraps up this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.